So in today's video, I'll show you how to connect a Bluetooth controller to your Black Shark gaming tablet. In order to connect a Bluetooth controller, first you'll need to put your Bluetooth controller in the pairing mode. For different controllers, it will work differently. This is a PlayStation DualSense controller for the PlayStation 5, which is put in the pairing mode by pressing and holding on the PlayStation logo and the capture button at the same time. Now it's blinking, so it's in pairing mode. Then we should get to the tablet settings, go to connected devices, pair a new device, and it should appear here. You can see I have it. In a moment, it should get paired. I'll just need to click on confirm, and now you can see it works. I can now use it. I can go back. I can do things. I can use it as a mouse. You can see with the touchpad that is included there, and that's how it works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.